5 more bodies of around 170 missing in Uttarakhand disaster were recovered from the debris in Raini village on Tuesday. Union Home Minister Amit Shah also issued a statement in the Rajya Sabha on the avalanche in Uttarakhand's Chamoli district and said that all concerned agencies of the centre and the state are monitoring the situation. Members of Rajya Sabha also paid tribute to the victims of the disaster. Earlier during the day, Chief Minister Trivendra Singh Rawat conducted an aerial survey of the areas affected due to the glacier disaster and took stock of the situation. Punjabi actor turned activist Deep Sidhu, who is named and accused in Republic Day violence case, was arrested by Delhi Police Special Cell on Tuesday morning. He was sent to a 7-day police custody later in the evening. Sidhu, who had campaigned for BJP's Sunny Deol in 2019 elections, was found instigating the crowd during the tractor rally and violence at Red Fort. The government said on Tuesday that 15 states and union territories have not reported any death due to COVID-19 in the last 24 hours, indicating the pandemic could be waning in the country. 7 states and union territories have not reported a single fatality in the last week. India remains the second most affected nation in terms of COVID-19 cases, but deaths due to the disease are declining and recoveries are increasing. The WHO mission to China to uncover the origins of the coronavirus failed to identify the source of a pandemic which has swept across the world, but the team on Tuesday ruled out the Wuhan lab leak theory propagated by Donald Trump. Experts believe the disease, which has killed more than 2.3 million people across the world, originated in bats and could have been transmitted to humans via another mammal. West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee on Tuesday alleged that BJP-led government at the centre was not disbursing funds under the PM Kisan scheme to the peasants in the state despite TMC administration having sent the verified names of the farmers to it. Accusing the BJP of falsely claiming that she is denying funds to the farmers, she said that the Trinamool Congress government in the state is giving Rs 5,000 each to farmers and has also arranged for free crop insurance.